All right. Welcome, guys. If you're interested in learning how to, or basically you just want to automate your um, content that you're posting across all of your social media network, then you don't want to look any further than using RIZN, right? So inside of RIZN, we have our social media planner, which basically allows you the ability to be able to launch content across multiple platforms, right? All you have to do is click on connect, and you can come up here and connect all of your accounts. Like, for instance, I have some of our accounts connected. You can even post on Facebook groups. If you want to connect your Facebook group, you can post on your Facebook group from here. So, for instance, we have the Emmanuel Igwe. This is our Google My Business. Google My Business is, let me see if I can basically go ahead and pull this up here. But Google My Business is basically, think about it as your social media for your um, basically think about it as a social media for your business, right? So this is an example of what Google My Business looks like, okay, for Ryzen, right? This is just basically we started this. So Google My Business right now is basically when you come up here, you have this is basically what Google My Business is, and people can come up here and ask a question. You can go ahead and see posts, and you can see here, you can see all the posts and everything that I've done. This is what Google My Business is, right? And then people can also come up here and book directly from your Google My Business profile. So you can go ahead and post onto your Google My Business. It's just going to help you with your search rankings. It's going to make people see you more as an actual business. Also, you have your Instagram. You can post on Instagram. You can post on LinkedIn. You can post on all your platforms. All you have to do is come up here, click on add account, and you can add your Google My Business account, Facebook pages. We're not doing Facebook profiles yet, but you can do Facebook pages, Instagram pages, LinkedIn profiles, and LinkedIn pages. And then you can do your Twitter account. Just a quick demo as far as what that looks like. I'm going to kind of do a quick post as far as on my social media. I'm going to create a new post, and I'm going to go ahead and select all of my account. And I'm going to not select Google My Business because I want to post a video. Every business needs to be running since the dawn of Amazon. People prefer to do business with businesses that have reviews and an online presence. Oh my god. Sorry guys, you gotta listen to me type. Here is a quick walkthrough on how to get automatic reviews. Okay. So what you're gonna do? So this is basically I'm going to post a video that I did on YouTube. Right here, that's the link. Right. We're gonna go ahead and post that. And since I'm going to be posting on Instagram, Instagram prefers videos. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video file here and full video. And the video is uploaded. And then right here, we have a video uploaded. It's just a thumbnail, and then full video is available on YouTube, right? And then we're going to go ahead and post this, and we can go ahead and post this now. And this is basically, you can see what it looks like. And you can schedule it as well. You can schedule posts. Post to the schedule will pop up here. You can go ahead and choose the day, the time and date. So it's pretty much posted. So if I were to log into my Facebook page or my Instagram page, you'll be able to pretty much see all of that information for the most part. As far as I don't think you guys even saw that. I just realized I wasn't even sharing the tab, but let's go ahead and just do that one more time. Click new post, create new post right here, and then you can go ahead and select all your accounts or all the accounts that you want to select. Click here, all right, and just type what you need to. I already made the post already, and then you come up here and you click this. And what I wanted to do was upload a video, and that's what the video looks like, and that's the link, right? And with Google My Business, you have a call to action, but we're not doing a Google My Business. But this is basically a quick preview of what it's going to look like. And then on Instagram, this is what Instagram is going to look like. And then LinkedIn, this is what your LinkedIn is going to look like, right? And then you can go ahead, once you do that, it's going to click on post, and you can go ahead and schedule the post whenever you want to schedule the post, or you can go ahead and click and post now, and it's going to go ahead and post it, right? So this is just an example of what, of once it posts, it's going to show you. You can come up here and you can preview the link of this is what it looks like posted. This is an example of we're just waiting for it to load. So this is an example of a post that I made on LinkedIn, right? And this is pretty much what people see. And then you can also do the same thing as well. You can come up here to you can preview on Instagram, or you can log on directly to Instagram, and you can go ahead and check it out to see. I just made the post right now, so you can go ahead and preview it, and just waiting on my computer to load. But you get the gist of it. So pretty much, if you're looking for a social media planner, it's completely free. It comes into your with your RIZN results plan. You can once you it comes with the business plan, or you can get it on business elite plan. Business elite plan, you have to book a demo with us. But 100%, if you're looking to automate your posts, you can post across multiple channels all at once, and you can schedule it as well without having to do it, because RIZN is basically all inclusive, all in one post for you to basically be able to run your business and also build your personal brand. That's pretty much what I got for you today. To be able to sign up for RIZN, just go ahead and there's a link in the description, or you can go to rizenresults.com/free trial, and you can go ahead and get started with RIZN and pretty much get access to the account and get started. That's it. Pretty much, if you have any questions for me, send me an email, Emmanuel at rizenresults.com. I am more than happy to reach out to you. For that, I say enjoy.